So it's super important for us to do the right fix and the right job, because if these vehicles aren't up to tip-top shape when they leave here, then it's on us and it's our responsibility to make that happen for them. Hi, I'm Ryan Smith. I'm a heavy equipment mechanic 3 for Colorado Department of Transportation on the western slope. I grew up here on a little farm in Loma, Colorado, and have lived here my whole life. When I was growing up, I had dirt bikes, so always having to tinker on them and fix them and keep them going. As a field mechanic or a shop mechanic at CDOT, your duties are to fix whatever vehicle comes in. Whatever rolls in this shop, whether it be a paver, a tack wheel truck, a snow plow, a mower with a tractor on it, you're expected to, bumper to bumper fix the truck. And then they'll either bring it here or I'll need to go out in the field and fix it.
The western slope of Colorado is truly an amazing place. We have anywhere from orchards to mesas, but it's difficult at the same time. We have harsh winters, we have harsh summers, and these mechanics are a huge part to make sure that our fleet is up and running and doing the job that we need them to allow commuters and commercial vehicles to make their way where they need to.
Today we're out here fixing a bull plow on a loader, which is where the crews will come in and clear the medians and the right-of-ways using the loader. What happens is they get a lot of cracks and fractures just from the abuse of going up and down the road and the iron getting hot and cold. So today we're just welding up a little minor crack and a little hole that came about inside the blade. You might be good at welding, so you get to show that off. You get to do a lot of welding, or you might be really good at electrical work, so you do a lot of electrical work. It's unique in that we don't just do one thing. We're fixing all these other issues with the truck.
They're going out in the middle of the night, in the middle of a blizzard, in the middle of nowhere, where it's sometimes dangerous, and they help the people that need it.
I take my job super seriously because this truck is gonna get them through their shift, whether that be the lights working, the windshield wipers working, the horn, the brakes. All those things have to work for this person to do their job and also for them to get home safely too. After you crack your hand on something, you had a hand in fixing that truck and it's out doing its job because of you and your team. I think my purpose is to help people, and the best way I can help people is to fix stuff for them.